Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Harley-Davidson Blackline. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 39,202 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and installed the new rear tire. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the fork, a paint chip and a dent on the front fender, and paint tripping on the rear fender. This bike has one key and comes equipped with a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with a fuel pack module, an aftermarket exhaust, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, 10-inch handlebars, grips, an LED headlight, smoke turn signals, relocated rear turn signals, docking hardware, shifter peg, rider floorboards, passenger foot pegs, a flush mount fuel cap, levers, and a Harley-Davidson seat. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.